Grading exams is slow, repetitive, and error-prone, especially with handwritten responses or long mark schemes. ClassWizard's new Mark Scheme Grader takes that off your plate. No marking templates, no setting up rubrics. Just upload a paper and a mark scheme. We take care of the grading. Start by uploading your question paper and mark scheme. ClassWizard automatically identifies each question from your exam paper, including all sub-questions. It also reads your mark scheme to understand how each question should be scored, from keywords and phrasing to full model answers. Next, upload your student submissions. These can be typed documents, scanned handwritten papers, or even photos of handwritten work. ClassWizard handles them all. Upload each submission, and as soon as it's added, the system begins grading, automatically matching each answer to the right question and applying your mark scheme with precision. Once grading is complete, the results appear in your gradebook. From here, you can open any student's report to see exactly how their work was evaluated. Each question is shown with the mark awarded and targeted feedback ClassWizard generates to help the student understand what they did well and where to improve. You also get a structured summary for each student, their strengths, what they need to improve, and what to focus on next. But most importantly, you stay in control. Before anything is shared, you can edit the marks, rewrite feedback, and make adjustments as needed, quickly and easily. Then with one click, sync everything to your LMS or MIS.